Did you notice that world sentiment has just spiked to plus 0.032? This is significant considering our historical baseline, where sentiment typically hovers around zero. What's even more striking is the momentum at plus 0.268, indicating a strong upward trend in sentiments across various discussions. With 20 semantic clusters identified, you can dive deep into specific topics, shaping this sentiment shift. Our API delivers real-time insights, providing you with sentiment scores, momentum trends, and thematic breakdowns, all in one response. Imagine using this data to enhance your predictive models or sentiment-driven trading strategies. Understanding the nuances of global sentiment can give you an edge in decision-making. For more details, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's harness this momentum together.